15 inches and counting of snow here from the latest winter storm. A blizzard going on here in New York City. Here in Brooklyn, you can kind of see the Brooklyn Bridge. Visibility has been on again, off again, depending on the intensity of the snow coming on through. And there's plenty of snow, 15 inches and counting. Difficult to keep the roads clear. Most people are walking on the streets because, let me show you, the route to get to the sidewalk, you have to get through nearly knee-deep snow because it's not just the snow falling. We have winds gusting at times 30, 40, 50 miles per hour, so it's drifting snow. Under here somewhere is a sidewalk. As you can see, the street is an easier way to walk. It's much less snow on this thoroughfare here. But by the way, we've been dealing with and watching lots of plow trucks coming on through, but New York City has 6,400 miles of streets to plow. So they have quite the job ahead of them, and they've been at this since yesterday evening. So yeah, the biggest snow event of the year is still underway here in New York City, and it's not over yet. 15 inches and counting. 20 inches now is definitely on the table in terms of our snowfall from this latest blizzard. For the Weather Channel, Paul Goodloe here in Brooklyn.